in Brumbaugh, and I work for Elias Wilf Corporation. I am GM for the southern region of Elias Wilf, and we service the Mid-Atlantic region. We are pretty familiar with 5G already, or Välinge's locking systems already, because we already use it on a lot of other products, and we're very successful with those products. So picking this product after finding out that it was going to be offered in a waterproof hardwood came very natural to us and to our customers. So it was a very easy decision. Surprisingly, a lot of people in our industry and consumers aren't aware that with floating locking systems, approximately 30% of products that are offered in the market actually leak. So they're not technically waterproof as a flooring installation system. 5G Dry offers a leak-proof locking system so that our customers can know that if they purchase this product and something happens in their home, they're covered. It makes it very simple and easy to sell the product because it is leak-proof. Yes, we're doing very well with the product, and we're very satisfied. Quite frankly, we are satisfied when our customers are satisfied. And the feedback that we get from our customers has been overwhelmingly positive. Välinge has been an amazing partner. They're super responsive. Anything from marketing materials to specification data, they've been extremely on the ball with their responsiveness and willingness to help us. The culture of Elias Wilf and the culture of Välinge are very similar. So it was a really easy and comfortable match for us both. We're super excited to see what Välinge comes out with next. The technology and innovation is second to none. And obviously with the 5G Dry locking system, it proves that we've really only just begun with telling the true waterproof story.